If you're looking to use LeadPages for high-ticket sales funnels, you're probably wondering if it's the right tool for the job. In this quick LeadPages tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics and how to get the most out of it for selling high-ticket products or services. By the end of this video, you'll know whether LeadPages is truly up to the task or if there are better options out there. Stick with me because I'll share an exclusive offer and recommend a competitor that may be a better fit for your high-ticket sales needs. First off, LeadPages is a great tool for creating landing pages and funnels that look professional without requiring a lot of design experience. It's quick, easy, and integrates well with most email marketing platforms. But is it the best option for high-ticket sales funnels? Well, that depends. The second thing to consider is LeadPages templates. They have a variety of templates to choose from, and some of them are specifically designed for sales pages. While they look great out of the box, customization options can feel a bit limited when you're dealing with complex sales funnels, which is often the case with high-ticket items. You might find yourself wanting more control over your funnel structure and design, but LeadPages may not offer the flexibility you need in that area. Next thing, LeadPages integrates with most email marketing platforms, which is essential when building high-ticket funnels. This is great because it means you can easily follow up with potential leads and nurture them through the funnel. However, the integration with CRMs and advanced sales tracking could be better, especially when it comes to analyzing high-ticket sales data. If you're selling a $10,000 product, you want deep insights into your customer journey, and LeadPages doesn't always provide that level of detail. The fourth thing you should be aware of is pricing. LeadPages is affordable, but when you're dealing with high-ticket sales, every feature counts. You'll need access to some of their more advanced plans to unlock features like A/B testing and better analytics. These features are important because you want to optimize your funnels and make sure they're converting as efficiently as possible. But at the higher pricing tiers, you might find other platforms offering a better value. The next point is ease of use. LeadPages is user-friendly and offers a drag-and-drop builder that anyone can pick up, which is a big plus. But when you need advanced funnel elements like upsells, downsells, and sophisticated automation, you might find it a bit too basic. While it's easy to create landing pages, building a complete high-ticket sales funnel can require more sophisticated tools that LeadPages doesn't always support well. So, now that we've covered LeadPages' strengths and weaknesses, let me tell you about an alternative that may be a better fit for high-ticket funnels. ClickFunnels is often recommended for high-ticket sales because it's built with advanced funnels in mind. It offers robust automation, upsells/downsell features, better tracking, and more flexibility in design. If your goal is to increase conversions for expensive products, ClickFunnels could be the better choice. Now, before you go rushing off, here's the good news. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial deal available for both LeadPages and the competitor I just mentioned. These extended trials let you test out both platforms and see which one actually works best for your high-ticket funnels. You'll get access to all the features you need to make a well-informed decision. So, is LeadPages the best choice for high-ticket sales funnels? Not necessarily, but with the right strategy and tools, it can still work. However, if you're serious about maximizing your sales potential, I recommend checking out ClickFunnels. Both options have free trials, so you can take them for a spin and see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive trial using the link in the description below.